Today, let's talk about flag style handguards. You got two types of handguards. You got flag style, you got wraparound. So at some point you have to make a choice. You have to dig deep, a little self-reflection. Should I be running flags? Am I good enough to run flags? Or should I be running wraparounds? Do I smash into a lot of trees and rocks? Do I break livers? That's a choice everybody has to make on their own. Okay, I'm not here to persuade you one way or the other. When deciding, you're like, okay, are flags going to protect my controls? They can. There's a few things that you can do to make sure that you go throughout your ride day with controls intact, so that you have a brake, so that you have a clutch, so that you have a throttle, so that none of your perches have broken. There's a few different products that we can take a look at and that we can install to make running flags a bit safer on your controls. So let's take a look at some products that we can install that are either better than stock or help protect the stock components. A lot of people run these. These are great. They're a little pricey, but they're unbreakable. It says right there, unbreakable. They're made of Memlon, whatever alien technology that is. They're composite. Composite's cool in a couple ways. It's lighter. It's not like that big a deal, but they're also less cold in the winter. So I'm pretty excited about these composite levers. So when it comes to these ARC brake and clutch levers, these are cool because they bend. They bend. So if you take a hit, boom, they're gonna bend. Part of this is a billet aluminum, I'm assuming, and then this is this composite Memlon. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's light. It's light and short.
I just delivered a package.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Like hoping nothing blows away.
Oh, I'll take care of it. I appreciate it. So one of the fears of not running a wraparound, and something that protects all of this componentry, is that if you take a big hit here, right, what can happen is this whole perch section here that holds your master cylinder, and it's the same for the clutch side, can get basically snapped here. It's a bad day if that happens, right? So that's where this product from S3, this master cylinder protector, comes in. So this replaces the top clamp of your perch, and this slides in back behind here and basically creates a barrier from pressure snapping this toward your bar. So this is a pretty cool product. It's about 33 bucks, but it's cheap protection when compared to the price of, say, replacing your Brembo master cylinder. All right, you're talking about a couple $100 if that happens. And then also waiting for another one, because it's not like these things are easy just to walk into a store and buy. It's not something that's going to be carried. It's a couple days you don't get to ride. So this offers a pretty decent protection here. I think this is cool. My buddy turned me onto this and I'm all about it. These are made of, I'm assuming, they're definitely metal. I'm assuming just some sort of cast aluminum. Probably the exact same way these perches are made. They're cast. But we're gonna throw these on. We're gonna throw these ARC unbreakables on, and then we're gonna run flags and hope for the best. Hopefully I don't crush my little fingers here. So as we replace this top clamp, most people are going to not run these super tight so that if you do take a hit, boom, these will slide out of the way. And then take this, throw it in your little tool bag because it doesn't weigh much, and then if you do happen to break the new S3, you have a spare. And you want these to be able to move if you get into a little crash. So we'll tighten them just a tad more. There we go. Second verse, same as the first. If you like, you could wrap a little Teflon tape around here, which should theoretically give it a little more slippery of a surface, but it also keeps your bars from getting scratched if you're into that sort of thing. All right, so these can bend up and down still a little bit. That's good. Got that Teflon in there. Probably not doing anything, but what the hell, we'll try it. Lastly, let's take care of this pesky clutch lever. Take this bushing out of here, out of the old one. We're gonna reuse that. Slide that bushing in. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Check this out, guys. I didn't notice until I put this on, but I went back and kind of just fixed this. The slave cylinder saver actually has notches for your switch here. It's like they thought of everything. That's a cool detail. Way this can move back to where it came from, and actually it looks pretty clean. I'll take it. Spares. I personally am feeling much more confident running these flag styles. Now, this is not going to prevent me from getting my hand smashed on trees or anything like that, but this is your tech tip from a very intermediate rider who just doesn't want to break things. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe. Leave a comment below if you've used these, if you've ever had any issues, if you have other advice for people running flag style handguards. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.